In a heartwarming twist, two young brides from Karnataka prove that nothing comes before education, not even marriage. In Hassan, Kavana, a final year BCom student at Pride First Grade College, tied the knot with Dinesh at 9 am and rushed straight to write her income tax paper too, still in her wedding attire. Her brother Karthik brought her to the exam hall with full support from her parents Kumar and Anasuya. Meanwhile, in Kollegal, our Sangeeta, a final year BCom student at Vasvi College, married Yogesh of Sindhuvalli, Nanjangud Taluk at Rajarajeshwari Kalyan Mandap. Just moments after the tali was tied, she headed to her exam center, setting an inspiring example for students across the state. Two brides, two weddings, and one powerful message: education before celebration.